Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Pankaj Tyagi. Welcome to Corpbiz. In this video, we will talk about the role of rubber board and the legalities around the rubber board license. For the overall growth of the rubber sectors in the nation, Government of India has formed an apex body called Rubber Board. The rubber industries comes under the ambit of the Rubber Act 1947. The said act regulates the plantation, manufacturing, processing, distribution, and cross-border trading of natural rubber in India. The Act also mandates businesses involved with such undertaking to secure a specific license from Rubber Board after furnishing prescribed application and standard fees. In this video, we shall talk about the legalities around the Rubber Board license and the role of Rubber Board in India. First, let us discuss the objective and the duties served by the Rubber Board in India. Common objective and duties fulfilled by Rubber Board in India include: assist the central ministry on the matter related to the promotion of rubber sector, including the export and the import of rubber, taking part in the international event or scheme relating to rubber, granting different types of licenses such as dealer license, processing license and manufacturing license to the eligible applicant, inspecting licenses business premises for compliance, imposing penalties on those breaching conditions of the licensing, seeking annual return filing from the license holder, making amendment in the Act in association with Government of India time to time, setting up or altering maximum or minimum price of rubber, curtailing the misuse of rubber to minimize environmental damage, implementing norms for labeling, quality, marking and packing of tradable form of rubber, granting authorization for interstate trading of rubber, imposing ban on cross-border trading of rubber, collecting excise duty imposed under subsection 1 from the owner of the estates. Now let's talk about the type of rubber board licenses. There are 3 types of rubber board license. The first is dealer license, second is processor license, and third is manufacturer license. Apart from these, there is another category called other special authorization for acquiring natural rubber. Now let's talk about the licensing procedure, and we start with the dealer license. Any person who wants to deal with rubber is required to apply for dealer license in Form B. The application should be submitted along with an affidavit, attest photograph of the applicant and documentary evidence to prove the applicant's right of possession of the business premises. Besides, a sum towards license fee needs to be remitted. Such amount can be remitted by demand draft in favor of the Deputy Director Rubber Board payable at Kochi, or by money order or by cash. Now let's move to the next license, that is processor license. Those who wants to acquire rubber for processing and selling it shall apply for a license in Form B1. The applications needs to be submitted along with an affidavit in the prescribed form and the copy of the project report. Besides, a sum towards license fee need to be remitted. Third license is manufacturing license. Anyone who wishes to purchase or acquire rubber must apply to the board in Form D along with the supporting document. This license is issued to acquire specific amount of rubber and the license should be renewed everywhere. Now let's talk about the documents required by a rubber board for the grant of rubber license. Business incorporation or incorporation certificate depending on the type of structures possessed by the applicant firms, business owner's photographs in a prescribed format, self-attest Aadhaar or PAN of the business owner, copy of the valid rubber license if available, proof reflecting the engagement of firm with the rubber business, audited balance sheet, proof relating to the procurement or trading of rubber during the last 5 years. Now let's talk about the important compliances for the license holder. As per the Rubber Act and the rules made thereunder provide that the license holder should submit statutory return in the prescribed form to the board. Every license processor is required to submit accurate and correct monthly return in Form H3 and L1 giving the detail of rubber acquired, held, used for processing. Every manufacturer is required to submit true and correct monthly return in Form K and L giving the detail of rubber stocks, and the annual return is also in Form K1 providing the detail of the use of different kind of rubber. Such return should reach the board on or before 30th April of the succeeding years. The licensee must keep and maintain true and correct accounts in respect of their business and furnish them before the authorized officers of the board for inspection on demand. The possession of rubber by non-owners or non-authorized personnel is illegal as per the Rubber Act 1947. The plantation or the replantation of rubber should be carried out as per the condition mentioned under the general or special license granted by the Rubber Board. Such licenses are mandated to share the report with board evidencing the area of land before initiating the cultivation. Penalties will be imposed on defaulter who opts to bypass such requirements. This is all about the Rubber Board license. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.